Oh, hi, good morning. I'm going to show you how to install the connector to your regular TV cable. This cable is called RG6, used for the TV, and the impedance is 75 ohms. It's not ideal for the ham radio, but it's very, very cheap. Very high quality RG6 costs maybe 25 cents a foot. So I'm going to use this one for in-house wiring. It's already there, so I just use it. So the tool you need is the cutter and the crimper, and of course you need this one. Now I'm going to cut it. I tried a couple of times. This knife is too deep. It's not ideal for cutting this particular cable. But I'm going to try. I show you why I say that. Okay, you just hook this one. This is quarter inch here, quarter inch here. There's two knives here. Spin it. Okay, then you pull. Oh, it's not bad. Let me see how much. Yeah, it's not bad. It's a good cut. That's what it's. You lay that back a little bit, and this cable is pretty junk. It has only one layer of the foil. The good one has two layers, but well, I just show you how to do it. If it's not good, I'm going to buy another cable. Yeah, there's nothing here. Normally there's another layer here, so if there's another layer of the wire here, I need to cut this out, and right now there's nothing, so that's good enough. I'll hook this up. Okay, that's good. Make sure it's okay, looks good. Next step, using this one, put this one here. Oh, sorry, I should. Okay, so make it loose, otherwise now it's good. I'll crimp it. Go. Hopefully it's working. Yeah, it's working. It's solid. It's done. That's it.